Hi and welcome. So today we're gonna look at a new tool called Nikto. So let's go ahead and visit Nikto on their official webpage. It's called cert.net that makes the tool. And basically what they tell us is that there's a big alien in front of our screen. We cannot read anything. Let me just try and remove it because it is an alien. There we go. Basically, they tell us that Nikto to restore it from the repository is out, so we need to download the newest version. It is called something. There's Nikto is sponsored by NetSparker, and it's an open source tool. We have another distraction in front of us. Let's just remove that as well, and also remove this interesting thing, and now we can read the whole web page while I zoom on it. It's an open source web scanner which performs comprehensive tests against a web server for multiple items, including over a 6,700 potential dangerous file programs. Checks for outdated versions for over 1,250 servers and version-specific problems over 270 servers. It also checks for server configuration items such as the presence of multiple index files, HTTP server options, and will attempt to identify installed web servers and software. Scan items and plugins are frequently updated and can be automatically updated. Nikto is not designed as a stealthy tool. Be aware of that. It will test a web server in the quickest time possible, and it is obvious in the log files or an IPS IDS. However, there is a support for libwhisker anti-IDS method in case you want to give it a try. Alright, so this tool is basically just a web server scanner. So let's go ahead to a console and try this out. So I'm having burp running. I'm gonna close this out, clear the screen. I started my favorite room on Try Hack Me, which is Bolt, the one you see me run before. And basically what I'm just gonna write is Nikto, and then I will write H as the host, and then we need to fire off the host, which is this IP address, and basically that's it. Really, that's just it. And then you run it and you get some results. The scan itself will take all from very little time to some time. Not a lot, but could take a few minutes, you know. And it continues to show different things here to find. So it tells us the IP address and the target host name and the port is, and the start time of the scan, which is a weird time, but that is my system time, 7:51 a.m. That is just the way it is. And as you go, you see stuff like anti-clickjacking X-frame options is not present and so on. It also says something about the XSS protection headers not defined, and stuff here you can just look up and check. Now, from what I see, I would say that this one could be interesting, you know, to some part. The XSS protection headers not defined. It could also be interesting if there's any way for us to do XSS, of course. And this is of course very interesting because it tells me that I can only do head, get, post, and option for the HTTP methods on the web server, which basically means that someone been thinking about it and might removed or moved or even have a further greater knowledge about configuration of the server. At some point this will end, and then that's it. There is nothing much more to this. What we could do, I'm gonna break it out, is to say that I need to save the output to a certain file, and then you just give some output file name. It could be anything. You could call it Nikto whatever underscore first scan and save all your stuff inside that file, and basically that's it. No need to do anything specific or special using Nikto. It is just running the command, seeing what it does, and this is an automated scan. I want to tell you that automated scans can be awesome for some purposes, but it is also automated and is only looking for special signatures and so on. Now, I'm pretty sure that my Nikto is outdated. Let me just type Nikto. Can I get any sort of version or something? It says version 2.1.6. let's just see if my version is outdated. Going to Nikto's webpage, and they say this repo is not up. Oh, I have big burp on, sorry. I turned burp off. So running the repo, and we're having a version of, can I see that somewhere? Well, it seems that I cannot. So it kind of tells you how to run this as a Docker, and normally you just, you know, yeah, it's written in Perl, so this is the way to use it. What about this? There's no way for me to see the actual version. Well, that's it then, I guess. Not gonna bother with this a lot more. So anyways, latest GitHub release, you can also download the zip file. At least I'm having version 2 point something already installed, so for now I guess I'm good. But of course the amount of let me just see. Yeah, I can do the update command on it, so I could write Nikto -update and see what happens, and it's update is deprecated in Git version. Please pull directly from Git. Yeah, so it would seem that my version is a bit outdated, but you know, it's probably the same usage for the other versions. So I really hope you like my video. This short video that I created. I'm going to create some more short videos, how to use tools. If you do so, please consider subscribing to my channel. It will help me a lot to know how many of you guys actually subscribe and keep watching my videos, liking my videos, giving a comment. I would really appreciate that you did that also in the future. And if not, I'm just happy that you watched my video, because this is free online security educations. Alright, so until next time, see you again.